Today we're taking a closer look at the Radioddity CBL-561, a versatile mobile antenna designed for both the 10 and 11 meter bands. Let's take a closer look. The lower section, which includes the loading coil, is built from durable aluminum alloy, ensuring long-lasting sturdiness. Tuning is straightforward with the provided Allen wrench, and you could expect to achieve an SWR of 1.3 to 1 or better, depending on your mounting setup. The antenna features a 3/8 by 24 stud mount, and the included PL259 adapter makes it compatible with the M916 mag mount in similar setups. When I tested the antenna with Whisper on 10 meters, I quickly received a report from Japan, evidence that the 10 meter band is starting to open up. Switching over to FT8, I had no trouble making contacts. The CBL-561 pairs perfectly with the QT80. You can learn more about the QT80 here. This antenna's classic, time-tested design has remained popular for good reason. If you're in the market for a 10 or 11 meter mobile antenna, the CBL-561 is a strong contender. At $70, it offers excellent value. I'll include a link below where you can get yours.